Yeah, this building has a really cool history. It was built in the 1800s. You would bring your horse and buggy into town and keep your horses here overnight while you stayed in Winder. You know, every day is a new challenge. Every day is going to be something that we haven't seen before. It being a historic building and trying to keep and maintain the integrity of that. We've had a lot of unique challenges already.
You want it to be beautiful, you want it to represent the city, but you want it to be progress as well, and so you kind of have to blend the line. But that kind of what makes the project fun.
This is a building that had basically fallen through the cracks and it had been condemned at one point, and they're bringing this thing back to life. A massive undertaking of a project that leans not only on process and industrial type cooling applications, but comfort cooling as well for the offices and some of the areas that they've designed here for the customers.
We reclaimed the brick from the wall that fell and we used that to build a new wall. The reclaimed brick looks great. We put in a new roof on the other side. You know, we got the curbs cut in perfectly for the units.
It's already looking fantastic. As with any project, there are a lot of challenges, but it's nothing that we weren't able to overcome by working with some great architects and engineers, as well as Ryan and his team figuring out what their needs were and how we could set them up best for success moving forward. The load that you're going to see in the brewing room is obviously going to be different than what you're going to see in the tasting room or the event space, right? From occupancy to plug loads, the different types of industrial equipment that are going to be here that they are going to use to actually brew the beer and other beverages that they'll make on site. There's always going to be a constant large load from the industrial equipment, but there's also going to be a need for a comfort cooling side of it as well. To understand what those needs are and how we've zoned this and sized the equipment for each different type of zone that's going to be undergoing each different type of usage in the building.
We've got equipment on the roof that's going to take care of this building for a long time, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for something that's going to last. That's the kind of partnership that you want, and Rheem, they fit perfect.